Hello everyone, welcome to Excited Nuclei channel. So last time we make a calculator using C++. So in this calculator we have done some functions like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and there is also an assignment for me and all of you to all together to basically make a calculator with the following functions such as you can say floor division, okay, and also power, modulus, and square root. So continuing on that, we are going to add these features into our, you can say, main function or calculator. So to do that, let's just make some more functions to do it, and also I get to see some issues in our code, such as it does not include the case where any number is divisible by 0. So we must also exclude the case too. So let's just do it. So before that, let's just correct our divide function. So let add a if else block. So how to add it? Let's say if b is less than b is equal to 0, then do what? Okay, let's just keep it in the single line. Then see out. So what we are going to output is that the divisor must not be 0, and for then we are going to add else block. Also let's apply and close this with semicolon, and let's add else block. So in the else block we are going to return our value. So before moving forward, we are going to see this change, whether this change is reflective or not. So we are going to run this code actually. Okay, so we get an error. So where it is showing us we null void function. So it is in the function float actually. So why it is giving us this error? I think we need to see it. Oh yeah, let's just uncomment it and return else. In the else, let us see float e. So let's say d is equal to, or you can say d is equal to float a divided by b, and we are going to define d here. How we are going to define d here is the similar way, float d. Okay, so d is equal to this. Now we are just going to simply return d. So I hope this time it works. Let's just see. I think we just multiple time. Okay, so this time it's working. Let me just increase our terminal size. Please enter the first number, let's say 3, enter or enter. Okay, so we are going to use for here. Okay, good. Our simple division is working quite well, the same as before. Now we are going to run this function again, and this time let's say 3 and 0, and let's just use 4. So as you can see that we get an infinity, which is the actual value of division by 0, and we also get the error message or the message that we want to print, which is the divisor must not be 0. So as you can see that our if else block is working quite well. So let's just clear the terminal output here and move on to filling some more functions that we have discussed we are going to do. So yeah, here I'm just going to copy some function of long ago and then you can say edit it. Yeah, so rather than multiply we are going to move with what should we do first, floor divide. Yeah, or floor division. So let's just copy it here. Okay, so floor division and then floor division and then just going to do it and now do it. Now this is our simple floor division, and also change the name or div. Also let's create a function for power and you can say what is it, power and square root 2. Oh, sorry. So the next function is power function power and then power. Okay, so yeah, sorry. So okay, this is going to be the power function. So how to use the power function is simple. Just add two asterisks here to raise the power, and okay, I believe that's it. Okay, so it is saying that the asterisk must be pointer, but has type int. So let's just first try to resolve this issue and then see what can we do about it. So for now, let's just try to see what it gives us. So else if option selected equal to 5, then what do what? Floor divide two numbers E and B. Okay, so good. Now last but not least, else if option selected equal to 6, then do what? Just do what should we do? We should do power. Oh, I think I forgot to change the name here. Really. What to do? Let's just say floor div. Yeah. So it's a power to nums. So power to numeric numbers. Then pass a comma b. And here we want to make it clear that we also want to make it clear that second number is or will be used as the power to raise power raise for first number. So that's it. And also handle and this semicolons. So this is going to be your basic calculator. So let's just try to run it and see what it gives us. Okay, so we get our first error. So what is it is saying is that the same the power must be okay. We get an error. So error lies in this statement, which is A star star B, and I believe this error is something we should what to do about it. So for that, we should I believe we should use some while loop. So how to use while loop here is that simply by while let's say our number is b, right? So let's say while b is greater than 0, also we have to enclose it in the parenthesis, and also b is less than 0, b minus minus a. Now here what to put it here is that a temp, let us just assign temp here. Temp is equal to, what should we assign temp is that a. Okay, so temp is going to be multiplied by a itself. So temp multiply a and then store it in the temp again. Temp, or maybe we can, I don't know, it's true in, you can say, in Python. So let's just type it int temp is equal to a and temp star is equal to a and then return temp here or and here, and then let's try to rerun this whole code. So good, we are doing good right now. So let's just use 2, then 3, then enter, then let's enter 6 here. Of course I have not printed the statement yet, so it is calculating extra 16 here. Okay, so it is calculating extra power. Maybe we should assign it 1 because we are, yeah, let's just use it again. So please enter our first number. Okay, our first number is going to be 2, then 3, then 6. Okay, now it's working just fine. So before that, let me just add an option for people to view actually. So top and down, and then 5 and 6. So fifth option is for floor division. Let me just quickly write this here. Floor division, and then we are going to get our you can say power function here, and let's just try to run this now. First of all, let's clear a. Our first number is going to be 2, then 3. Okay, then choose option 5. Okay, that's fine, that's pretty good. Now let's just run it again, and then again 2, 3, 6. Okay, so we are just doing everything fine. So as you can see that our statement just executed and saying the second number will be used as the power to raise for the first number. So everything is working pretty good. So for now, let's just clear our terminal. And as you can see that our calculator is finished. So why not we just what should we do? Okay, that's all for this video. Hope you like it, and hope you get the solution for this power and this floor division. And if you don't get the solution, please contact me. You can say GitHub messages or comments or anything else. So that's all. Thank you.